We have several methods of data collection, whereby we have interviews, which are face-to-face interviews, and approach someone from their houses or maybe from the street, depending on the method that is used. We can. The next one is a central location interview. You're doing a certain product, you want to identify the feelings and how the people react with different products. So you have to get a location, maybe like a hotel, and get a conference hall, and then you have the recruiters. Recruiters will go to the field, we go outside, and then recruit respondents which fit in the survey. They're going to maybe have a testing. They have to maybe give opinions on how they react with different products. Or maybe we talk about the key informats. Key informats, we talk about mostly the manager is interviewed, or maybe the people who make decisions in a company have the opportunity to be interviewed and give their opinions, and depending on a certain problem that is we are trying to solve on the survey. The next one is in-depth interviews, is more of the same as key informats, whereby we also have to interview the decision makers in a certain company. They give you all the opinions. The other one, we have high-profile interviews. These high-profile interviews, some are business to business, whereby you have to understand, you want to understand in the criteria of business to business level. Let's say we are talking about the microfinance businesses or the banking businesses, whereby a certain, like KCB Bank, have to understand how Cooperative Bank is working. The next one, we have telephonic interviews, whereby that we have a database which include phone numbers, whereby the database is provided by different companies of different criteria. You have to recruit in the database. You take the database and then you interview according to the criteria that you're looking for. The next one is about focus groups. We have the focus groups that are done physically and focus groups done using online. So these focus groups is where you have to gather 6 or 8 people who have clear knowledge, who have the knowledge of a certain product. What are their opinion, their honest opinion about that product? Are they satisfied, and how are they about the product? About the online is also where you have to gather 6 to 8 people, and then those people are having a moderation online, whereby you have maybe to use a Google Meet and have a moderator who will be moderating. The last one, we have the mystery shopping, all about observations. We have a supermarket that we want to understand a certain product, how they are arranged in how do you identify that product? Why do you like that product?